even though there's a disagreement, it's been done in a respectful way. Because you are saying you are not swearing at your wife. Yeah, and it's very difficult to, I don't know what if emotional intelligence ekanjani where you disagree. Okay.
Okay. Nina nikholelwa kakhulu kulezi zinto ze-trust. Mina, there is only one thing that rules my marriage is love. Thokozi ngokubi does not keep the records of wrongs.
Uthando.
Ngamtshela mina sisaqala. Noma uma ungambingelela manje uzokutshela. Does he believe in trust? Umbuzo kanjalo. Ngitshela ukuthi mina ngithembi kele. Ngeke ngivuye ukuthembele ini. Ungathemba umuntu ongayazi i-built-in error yakhe. Ungathemba umuntu ongawazi ama-future desires wakhe. Hlangane noPatrice Mtsipa khulume noDr. Muloyi athi I want to take this woman as my second wife. Akakaza icabange leyo nto umntana abantu. I trusted you, Thandazo. That's what I must say to them. They use trust to blackmail people. If you trusted someone, you wouldn't even talk about trust.
But I think we are taught ukuthi umuntu ufana umthembe.
Elithini iBhayibheli ngokuthemba umuntu?
Trust no one.
Busisiwe umuntu uthemba lakhe kuJehova. Thanda lo muntu, unezinto zakhe. Mthande lo muntu. uNkulunkulu uzokulwela. Umenikezwe ukungamthembi. We're talking about insecurities kaningi. Insecurities are bad because mawuphumile uyastori sengithi ngibonile vele kufikele yamoto emhlophe leya. So yaphuma uyastori no. That is insecurity, but trust is love.